Hi guys, my name is Sneha and welcome to my YouTube channel I Too Can, that is India to Canada. So in this video, we'll be talking about the document list required for an international student who is flying for the first time from India to Canada. So let's get started. So here's a brief introduction about myself. I landed here at Toronto on 27th of February 2020. Currently, I'm studying at Lambton College. It's a 2 year course in cloud computing for big data with a co-op. So let's start with the document list. Document number one is your passport. I know it sounds silly, but still अपना passport carry कर लेना यार, भूल मत जाना excitement में. So carry your passport. Point number two, carry your corona negative report. Guys, this is the most important document officials are asking these days. So get your corona test done like 72 hours before your departure. That too in a ICMR approved lab. I have attached the list of the ICMR labs in the description link. You can check it out and get it done. Point number three is your offer letter or LOA or enrollment letter of your college, whatever you call it is almost the same. You have to carry that. Point number four would be the fee receipt. Like जो भी आपने fees अब तक college को pay की है, you have to download and get a receipt of that and carry with yourself. Point number five is the IELTS scorecard. You have to carry the original as well as photocopy of that. Point number six would be the GIC certificate. जिस भी बैंक में आपने अपना GIC account open किया है, you would have got the email from them or just log into their portal and download whatever certificate or investment direction letter, whatever you have proof from them that indicating that you have 10,000 Canadian dollars there. You have to just show them in case they ask. In my case, they did not ask me, but few people were asked about it. So make sure to carry it. Point number seven would be the visa approval letter, which you get from the IRCC portal. Just log into your portal and download it and carry it with yourself. Point number eight would be the receipt of the 3 days quarantine hotel, which you must have pre-booked already. If not, they help you here at the airport to book it. But guys, please ensure to book it pre-book it because you would get it cheaper rather than booking it here. So I have made a video regarding the procedure on how to book a 3 days quarantine hotel. Do check it out. The link is in the description box. Point number 9 would be they are asking like after the 3 days quarantine stay, where are you going to quarantine yourself for the rest of the 11 days? So the total would be 14 days. 3 for the government hotel and rest 11 would be self quarantine, or if your college is giving any quarantine package, that details you have to provide. In my case, my college had provided me a mandatory quarantine package which I had with me. I showed them the details and that's it. So that's it guys. Apart from this, you can carry a medical prescription if you want to be on a safer side, like for all the medicines you are carrying. Just take a prescription from a nearby doctor, your family doctor or so, and in case the officials ask, you can show them. I don't think it's a need, but to be on a safer side, yeah, you can carry. So for all the documents which I have mentioned, you have to carry the originals as well as 2 to 3 photocopies with you. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe if you found it helpful, and if you have any queries or doubts regarding the documents, you can put it in the comment box and I'll reply to it. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, bye bye.